Diversity 2. Making the winter nose and mouth cover real easy to make. It's a matter of cutting off the top of a scully. Diversity 2 today's project, making the neck wrap. When you're outside in the winter time, it's not good to breathe the cold air. It's bad for your health. Your lungs become restricted when the cold air comes inside. So especially if you have health problems, that's not good. So find something to cover your nose and your mouth, and this is a very simple project. You take a small scully, little cap here, and you may need about 3. I have one on my head, and one to cover my nose and my mouth, and the other one, the last one, covers my neck. So to make this, you just need a pair of scissors and some scullies here. I'm going to take and cut off the top portion, just a little of it. Doing it right here in front of you. Use some sharp scissors. Doesn't take much. And instantly you have a hole in it, and you just take and slide it over, and you're done. Cover your nose and mouth instantly. If you get tired of wearing it, just simply take it off, stick it in your pocket. But this is going to save your lungs when you're out in the cold air, and to keep your it's going to keep your lungs from getting filled with cold air, and going to filter out that cold air. And it works really good. I tried it before when I'm out, especially if you're working outside on a warehouse where it's just cold. You can pull it up, and it's not going to be a problem. Don't let the cold weather keep you inside. Rain, sun, shine, winter, spring, fall, whatever. Don't be a couch potato. Keep that oxygen flowing, the blood running through your veins, then flushing out those chemicals, and keep moving. This is how you survive. This is how you keep your body limber. And just by moving, getting the oxygen, breathing, moving around, and not becoming a couch potato and beginning to gain weight when you go to sleep. You begin to store fat in your body over and over again. That's not good. So get out, move, and burn those calories. It's really not hard to do. Just a matter of applying yourself and doing stuff every now and then, just to keep your body limber, keep your oxygen flowing, and burning those calories. Diversity 2. Don't let the winter weather keep you inside. Get out and enjoy yourself. And make sure you filter that cold air from breathing coming inside of your lungs. So put something over your nose and your mouth when you're working out to filter the cold air from getting in your lungs. This is how I did it. This is what I designed. Really not designed, just an idea, and it should work. Diversity 2, stand by. The winter scarf, the winter filter project. That's it. 1, 2, 3. So don't forget, one for your neck, and one for your nose and your mouth. I have 3 scullies, and take the last one and put it on your head, and you are ready to go. Diversity 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Diversity 2, making the what you call it?
Neck wrap.
Okay, let me start over. I could call this hacking a hat.